Hello, 𝗃𝗵𝗁𝗶 from nextblogtech.com is here. So in this video, I want to show you how to log in or sign in to your Google Voice account so that you can be able to use it to make calls or send unlimited messages and make unlimited calls to both USA and Canada for free. So this is what I'm going to show right now is signing or logging inside my Google Voice account and showing you how to do this, because most people do contact me and tell me that they downloaded Google Voice and they try logging in and they cannot be able to use their Google Voice account to make calls. So this method I'm going to show you right now will help you to make calls and receive text messages with your Google Voice account. Very easy. So right now I'm going to show you how to do that from your phone. So what you need to do is to open Google Chrome browser. If you don't have it already, just download it from Play Store and open this Google Chrome browser, and on the address bar just simply type voice.google.com. so this is it, voice.google.com, and you hit enter, and once it loads up, I then voice email and enter my password and start making calls using it. Right, so right here what I need to do is to click on this sign in button. Very easy. Click on it, and the next page is where I need to enter my Google Voice email address, my Google Voice account email address. So I need to enter it here. So this is my email. I enter, click next, and here I just enter my password. I can be able to use it to start making calls and sending text messages. So now it's loading and it is right here. So what I need to do now, is to, after the close, I need to switch to desktop site. So let me save. So I need to switch to desktop site. So I click on this icon here at the top, this icon at the top here. I select it and I select this desktop site. As you can see, I am using Chrome browser. I select this desktop site, and it will switch this page to desktop view, and I can be able to use this Google Voice account to make calls successful. So it is loading. So right now, as you can see here, 𝗃𝗵𝗁𝗶. So it is still loading, and it's loads up. So as you can see, these are the phone numbers I've called using this my Google Voice account. So right now it is time to make unlimited calls to both USA or Canada for free, send text messages. That's what I'm going to show right now. So for instance, I need to call PayPal, or I need to call someone. So in this case, let me use PayPal as an example. So PayPal phone number, PayPal contact number. So I just want to use this as an example. So right now, where I need to enter the phone number is in this page. As you can see here, enter a name or number. So let me zoom it. So this page, as you can see, callers, enter a name or number. So I paste the I paste the PayPal contact number there. So I paste it and I click on this green button. So as you can see here, this is green button. I click on it in order to call this number. So I click on it. Let's see. So allow access to mic. Sometimes it will pop up and you click yes. As you can see here, boom, we are there.
Thank you for calling Payflow Gateway Support. Please listen carefully as our options have recently changed. Your call may be monitored for quality assurance or training purposes. If you are calling to reset your password, please press 1. For assistance with Payflow Gateway, please press 2. If you are calling about your personal or business PayPal account, press 3. Premium
So this is
support
basically
user,
how to make call using your Google Voice account. This is very easy. You can use it to make unlimited calls. And for sending text message, as you can see here on the left hand side, you can see this option, phone. You can see different options here. So in order to send message, this is what you need to do. Click on this option as a box, click on it. So just click on it, messages, you can see. So you here, what you need to do is to, you can see, send new message. You tap on it, click on it, and here you need to enter the phone number you want to send message to. So in this case, it's either USA number or Canada number. So you need to paste that number again, that phone number again, send to. So this is the number that I'm going to send the message to. So I paste it. So after you paste it, you just click on it, and you write the message you want to send. So for instance, you come down, you scroll down, you will see type a message. You can see here, type a message. You click on it. Let me say hello. How are you doing? So let's say this is the message I want to send using my Google Voice account. What I need to do is to select this icon, send icon, in order to send this message. So I click on it now, and it will send this message for free, 100% free. So this message has been sent, as you can see here, on today 6:08 p.m. and once you check my time, it is 6:08 p.m. and once you scroll to this left side, you will see how are you doing, 6:08 p.m. and this message has been sent. And once you click on it, it will take you back to here where you can even type more messages to send for free. So this is basically it. So this is how to make calls or send text message 100% free using your Google Voice account. So I decided to make this video because I get a lot of requests from different people that they are unable to use their Google Voice account to make call or send text message. That is why I decided to make this video. So it will help you out. If you created your Google Voice account correctly, this should help you out to be able to use your Google Voice account from your phone, right, successful, to make calls or send text messages or receive calls or receive text messages for free. Alright, so this is just basically it. So if you enjoyed the video, kindly give it a like and subscribe to this channel for more tech videos, just like this. So I make 𝗃𝗵𝗁𝗶𝗂𝗍. Thank you so much, and have a nice day. Bye.